The LUX-Dx Insertable Cardiac Monitor ICM system is designed to monitor and record your heart rhythm for clinical evaluation. Your healthcare team may recommend it because you have experienced symptoms such as fainting, heart racing or fluttering, shortness of breath, or lightheadedness that may suggest a heart condition. You're at risk of developing an abnormal heart rhythm, or you have a known heart condition that your healthcare team wants to monitor. The LUX-Dx ICM collects information for your healthcare team to evaluate cardiac arrhythmias. An arrhythmia is when the heart is beating too fast, too slow, or in an irregular pattern. The LUX-Dx ICM monitors and records these rhythms. It does not treat them. Identifying and monitoring arrhythmias can help your healthcare team provide better care. The LUX-Dx ICM system has 3 parts. 1. The Insertable Cardiac Monitor, also called an ICM. This small device, about the length of a paperclip, is inserted under your skin. 2. The myLUX Patient app. You will be given 2 options for using the app. Your healthcare team may give you a mobile device supplied by Boston Scientific that comes with the app pre-installed. Or you can download it on your own smartphone. If you choose to use your own smartphone, you won't need to add another device to your routine. Note that if you choose the Boston Scientific supplied device, you cannot use it to make calls, text, or browse the internet, even in an emergency. In case of an emergency, be sure to call emergency medical services on your regular phone. The myLUX app uses Bluetooth wireless technology to collect heart rhythms stored on your LUX-Dx ICM to send to your clinic. 3. A blue magnet. This is required for initial setup of the myLUX app. Your healthcare team will let you know if they want you to use it for anything else. Let's look at how these parts work together. Each day, the myLUX app will automatically collect data from your implanted device and send it to your clinic. This generally happens overnight and will occur without you noticing. The clinic will look at your data during clinic hours. They will contact you if there's a need for further review. For the most part, the system works on its own and doesn't require much from you. You'll have just a few responsibilities to ensure your care team receives all the information needed to provide you with the best care. 1. Keep your smartphone or the mobile device charged, powered on, and connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a cellular signal. 2. Place the mobile device or your smartphone within 6 feet of where you sleep at night or where you spend a considerable amount of time each day. 3. If you see a screen with an exclamation point icon, follow the instructions on the screen to get reconnected. You will know you're reconnected when you see a screen with a check mark that says your monitoring is up to date. Before your implant procedure, talk to your healthcare team about whether you'll use your own smartphone or a mobile device supplied by Boston Scientific. If you'll be using your own smartphone, be sure to bring it to your implant appointment. You may also want to download the myLUX Patient app ahead of time via the App Store if you have an iPhone or via Google Play if you have an Android phone. On the App Stores, search for the myLUX Patient app. You'll get further instructions for setting it up, so just download it for now. This introduction should give you a good overview of how the LUX-Dx ICM system works. You can check out what the app looks like from your myLUX Patient app tutorial link provided on the myLUX App Store page. You may also find answers to your questions by visiting the LUX-Dx Patient website at bostonscientific.com/LUX-Dx.